on an application made by BJP कि इसमें से हमें थोड़ा सा लैंड लीज में दे दीजिए, और मैंने उनको इन्फॉर्म कर दिया कलेक्टर को, पर कलेक्टर कोई कार्यवाही नहीं करता। इस दरमियान बीजेपी एक आवेदन देती है किसको? कलेक्टर को। उन्होंने क्या किया कि एग्जीक्यूट कीजिए लीज डीड इन फेवर ऑफ बीजेपी। अभी तक कलेक्टर ने डिसाइड नहीं किया आफ्टर रिमांड सर। अधीनस्थ न्यायालय में एक रेगुलर सिविल सूट है जिसमें बीजेपी, शासन, कलेक्टर सबको हमने पार्टी बनाया फॉर द टाइटल के लिए कि आई एम द ओनर। तो अकॉर्डिंगली सर कोर्ट ने, अधीनस्थ न्यायालय ने फाइंडिंग दे दिया आई एम द ओनर एंड नॉट द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट।
The writ petition file seeking what?
इसमें इन्होंने रिट पिटीशन में ये कहा है जो ऑर्डर कलेक्टर ने पास किया है उसको ये चुनौती दे रहे हैं और सारी चीजें छुपा दी, क्योंकि ये दो दायरों में ये केस बटा हुआ है। एक फर्स्ट अपील है, फर्स्ट अपील में भी इन्होंने इंटरवेंशन की एप्लीकेशन बताई ये कहते हुए कि आई एम अ फ्रीडम फाइटर, आई एम एन एक्स मुतावली, एंड व्हाट इज हिज एज? जो एज शो कर रहा है वो 78 इयर्स टुडे। तो 1947 में इनकी उम्र क्या होगी? 1 साल की। तो ये फ्रीडम फाइटर थे।
My father.
No, father nahi, you yourself said, I am a freedom fighter. Number one. Number two, they have suppressed this fact कि ऐसी एक इंटरवेंशन एप्लीकेशन हमने लगाई फर्स्ट अपील में जो पेंडिंग है हाई कोर्ट में, और जिसमें वक्फ बोर्ड इज अ पार्टी, they are contesting, and that IA was rejected. Why? Because it is not in your possession, you have no legal right, you are not the owner of the property. तो दैट वाज, तो ये सब डॉक्यूमेंट हमने पेश किए हैं अपने ऑब्जेक्शन के।
आप दिखाइए इसकी कहाँ एज कहता है मेरी इतनी एज है
78
है। और कब वो, एंड यू से व्हाट पैरा 5 में आप just a second, 5
yesterday night they have supplied me the
कितना पढ़ने से दैट द पेटिशनर इज द फ्रीडम फाइटर।
ये असगर अली रईन
जी सर,
हां
यही फ्रीडम फाइटर है
जी
ये फ्रीडम फाइटर है और इनकी उम्र आती है
लॉर्डशिप, he is a ex,
47 में क्या इनकी उम्र हो गई?
एक सेकंड मैडम आपने पॉइंट आउट कर दिया, हम इससे पूछ रहे हैं।
even he is present before this honorable court also.
सॉरी
He is present at present.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, पर इसने आप जो ये किसकी एज लिखी आपने 78?
70 is the age of the petitioner.
78 आज की डेट में, तो फ्रीडम फाइटर कब रहा ये 47 में?
He is not a freedom but lordship. He may be called lordship. He is present.
नहीं
As he has instructed me that he is the ex-mutawalli of the said property, and there is a civil suit between the private persons and the Waqf board. They have lost that suit. Their first appeal is pending, and in that case, civil suit, he is the witness SPW 5. Therefore, according to Section 5 of the Waqf Right Lordship, any person who profess Islam or worship any place, he is an interested party, and he can agitate that as an interested person.
ये कहाँ प्रोविजन है ये?
It may be similar to Waqf Right Lordship, 5K definition lordship.
ये petition filed under what provision? That is under 226.
226. It is a single bench matter lordship.
Right, single bench.
The matter is connected. That is why it has been linked with division.
Sure, the provision.
Can I submit first, my lord?
Yes.
Can I come to my writ appeal, please? The first writ appeal, now I'm taking, because I thought because of the intervention, therefore I brought the information to my lords. We are coming at 2013 of 24, my lords.
Yes.
That's the first order which was pardoned done as single charge, my lords. Right, my lords? Now, before I come to the order, the facts, my lord, just the bare facts are like this, my lords. Way back, my lords, in 1993, on a basis of a Tehsildar report, the collector passes an order whereby, behind my back, I am the owner, I am the title owner of the land which is bearing Khasra number 458, 459 and 457/2856, which is at measuring 0.57 acres at Thikam Gadwal. Right from the very beginning, my great-grandfathers were owners. Now, on the basis of a report of a Tehsildar, 6/12/1993, Sumoto, without hearing, the collector passes an order on 7/2/1994. What does the order say? That on a basis of a report, the name of the government be endorsed in the revenue records.
Right.
I am unaware of it. When I come to know, I go in a revision before the commissioner. The order of the collector is 7/2/94. I go before the commissioner. Commissioner annuls the order of 7/2/94 on 13th March 2006. 13 March is an important date of the commissioner, additional commissioner. He remands, reconsider again. That is how
by the collector.
by the additional commissioner. The
Okay.
order of the collector, which is 7294, is set aside. Why? Because I said I am the owner and I'm not being heard. So government का नाम कैसे आप गा सकते हैं? You can't insert some behind my back. So accordingly, that is set aside. So the order of 7294 say is not in existence. This is very important. Now, when this is not in existence, 13/3/2006 takes its birth of the commissioner. Now, the commissioner order remains alive. Now, what does it mean? When the commissioner is alive, what does the collector do? On a basis of his order of 24/6/2004, which has been annulled, writes in the note sheet, is knowing fully well the commissioner has passed the order, he passes a note sheet saying that on an application made by BJP, कि इसमें से हमें थोड़ा सा लैंड लीज में दे दीजिए. So 2007 में प्रोसीडिंग स्टार्ट होती हैं और 27/1/2010 को लीज डीड इज एग्जीक्यूटेड इन फेवर ऑफ द बीजेपी, माय लॉर्ड्स, एंड द ऑर्डर ऑफ 13/3/2000 स्टिल अलाइव. कलेक्टर ने अभी तक उसको एडजुडिकेट नहीं किया फ्रेश. That is not done. Now, what do I do?
Come again with the date. So the
I'll-
order passed by the collector,
Collector passes the order, my lords,
Dated-
on 7/2/94.
dated
7/2/94.
94.
Right.
And
इसमें
the
है
commissioner,
sumoto. Commissioner का है 13/3/2006.
That is-
whereby this order is set aside. 7/2/94 is set aside.
by order dated
13/3/2006.
13/3/2006.
Now 13/3/2006 remains alive.
No, that is suo moto.
जी.
That is
On a revision, मैंने जो revision किया,
अच्छा उसमें revision.
उसमें उन्होंने set aside कर
Right.
दिया और मैंने उनको inform कर दिया कलेक्टर को, पर कलेक्टर कोई कार्यवाही नहीं करता. इस दरमियान बीजेपी एक आवेदन देती है किसको? कलेक्टर को, कि साहब मुझे एक थोड़ा सा लैंड दे दे लीज में.
इन्होंने जब कमिश्नर ने ऑर्डर पास किया बाई 13 मार्च 2006,
6
setting aside the collector's order 7th February 1994,
जी.
the matter remanded
Back to the
back to
मतलब
the
कलेक्टर, पर कलेक्टर ने कोई एक्शन नहीं दिया.
अच्छा ओके.
उसके बाद क्या हुआ सर? 27/1/2002 को
27/1/2010
27/1/2010 को उन्होंने क्या किया कि एग्जीक्यूट कीजिए लीज डीड इन फेवर ऑफ बीजेपी. अभी तक कलेक्टर ने डिसाइड नहीं किया आफ्टर रिमांड सर. वो ऑर्डर अस्तित्व में नहीं था. 24/6/2006 के बलबूते पे डीड गेट्स एग्जीक्यूटेड.
अच्छा, so collector did not pass the order.
No
Instead
order.
of passing the order, he said execute the lease.
Why I mean a writ appeal before those court, therefore I want to-
Just a minute. So therefore, the writ court what directed the collector
जी
to decide the matter
जी.
in
Now how does
in the light of order dated 13 March 2006,
very right.
right?
Very. So, but what I want to say, bring it out. Why I'm in a writ appeal, sir. Once the order of the collector goes, all the constitutional action gets buried, sir.
Right.
So lease did gaya, sir.
Yeah.
But single judge went on to say, that is what, why, therefore I am before this court. दो चीज के लिए. In the interregnum period, sir, 2000 में मैंने एक दावा पेश किया. For what? For declaration injunction. Appellantly.
Yes.
अधीनस्थ न्यायालय में एक रेगुलर सिविल सूट है जिसमें बीजेपी, शासन, कलेक्टर सबको हमने पार्टी बनाया. फॉर द टाइटल के लिए कि आई एम द ओनर. तो अकॉर्डिंगली सर कोर्ट ने, अधीनस्थ न्यायालय ने फाइंडिंग दे दिया, आई एम द ओनर एंड नॉट द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. दिस वाज इन 2015. ये आ गया सर. जब 2015 में आ गया, पर एक जो फाइंडिंग कोर्ट की थी कि लिमिटेशन के ऊपर में उन्होंने उसको खारिज किया. उसको लेकर हम फर्स्ट अपील में गए. सो 2021 में that particular element of limitation was also said to be bad, the finding of the trial court, sir. So the findings came in my favor. But what the first appellate court made a little mistake was कि जो possession का declaration था वो हमको नहीं दिया. Therefore I came in a second appeal. इसमें state government, BJP is party all throughout. They were never dissatisfied with the findings of the trial court or with the first appellate court, sir. Therefore it attained finality. जो finding है सिविल कोर्ट की कि मैं मालिक हूं, तो ये इसकी चुनौती नहीं की गई. So the point for consideration which we made in the writ
So
petition was
this all proceeding before the civil court, you are taken after the commissioner set aside the order of the collector.
that was after the, yes, after 2006.
आफ्टर 2000।
हाँ वो हो गया
तो आफ्टर 2006 जब था,
और हमने लीज डीड को चुनौती दिया रिट पिटीशन में।
एक तो जब कमिश्नर लीज डीड तो इसने 2010 में कलेक्टर ने बोला,
तो हमने 2010 में हम आ गए उच्च न्यायालय में याचिका में।
चलो ये तो सेपरेट है,
हाँ
पर कलेक्टर वाज सपोज टू पास ऑर्डर परसुएंट टू ऑर्डर डेटेड।
उन्होंने नहीं किया, उन्होंने किया ही नहीं
उन्होंने नहीं किया,
जी।
तभी करके कोर्ट ने डायरेक्शन दिया कि कलेक्टर ऑर्डर पास करे।
वेरी राइट।
हाँ।
पर मेरा केवल मैं क्यों आई हूं रिट अपील से, आई हैव ट्विन रीजंस।
Yes.
We filed all the copies of the judgment
Hmm.
to inform to the single judge. A, the civil court has given a finding, I am the owner. The title is mine. Can the collector sit above the findings of the civil court? Is question number one. Number two, even if the court holds,
Civil court finding is dated,
the civil court, we have filed everything in the writ petition, sir.
that dated.
Dated is, this is,
The decision or
just a second, please. I think so I can speak out, please. I request you. No, just a
और ये
second.
बता देंगे
9/10/2015. Please have patience.
9/10/2015
9/10/2015.
declaring you are the owner.
I am this is my plan, title. Finding, clear finding दिया है.
You have a title.
And state government is not the owner of the premises.
Okay.
Clear finding. और इसकी चुनौती नहीं की गई ना।
ये जो
पर हमने फर्स्ट अपीलेट कोर्ट में दे।
ये पिटीशन नंबर बताइए जो सिविल कोर्ट ने,
जी
सिविल कोर्ट में जो सूट फाइल की थी आपने, व्हाट इज दैट केस नंबर?
16A of 2015.
जब ये ऑर्डर डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि यू आर द ओनर ऑफ, यू आर द टाइटल ऑफ,
जी जी।
देन व्हाट हैपेंड टू दिस ऑर्डर?
नहीं, ये ऑर्डर के बाद में क्या हुआ, इसमें क्या हुआ, लिमिटेशन के ऊपर में उनने फाइंडिंग एडवर्स दे दी ट्रायल कोर्ट ने इसी केस में,
इसी ऑर्डर से।
हाँ इसमें, तो वी वर अग्रीड बाय दैट। और इन्होंने कोई काउंटर क्लेम नहीं पेश किया, कोई काउंटर अपील पेश नहीं की।
लिमिटेशन के ऊपर क्या फाइंडिंग दी?
जी
लिमिटेशन के ऊपर क्या फाइंडिंग?
इट इज बार्ड बाय टाइम।
नो, बार्ड बाय टाइम व्हाट?
सूट इज बार्ड बाय टाइम।
First you declare that you have a title,
यस
but they said suit is barred by time.
जी,
Okay, thereafter
ये ऐसा कोर्ट ने कहा, तो हम वी वर अग्रीड ओनली दैट फॉर द फाइंडिंग।
अच्छा,
तो वी
right.
वेंट इन एन अपील सर।
आपने फर्स्ट अपील फाइल की,
जी, और फर्स्ट अपील में कोर्ट ने कहा नहीं, इट्स विद इन टाइम। आप
they said it is within time.
जी
First
जी,
appeal.
उन्होंने कोर्ट ने माना इट्स विद इन।
Right.
नाउ व्हाट डिड द कोर्ट, even the first appellate court made a little mistake was that it did not go for the constitutional जो possession हमें hand over करना था, वो नहीं किया। So that was left over because that we had requested. So therefore we came in a second appeal before this court, which is admitted and pending before this court, only on that component sir. और कोई हमने चैलेंज नहीं किया, क्योंकि करने के लायक ही नहीं थे, केवल उस हद तक के लिए किया which is pending before the court. That also we have filed, which is second appeal 490/22.
Right.
So all these things, sir, we had filed before the learned single judge. So us for two full submissions. One, once a civil court has given a finding, revenue cannot.
Yes.
I am the objection.
Yes, Mr. Balu.
Lord,
Yes, this,
yes, Lord.
because the commissioner has passed the order setting aside the collector order.
Remanded back to the.
Remand.
Yes.
ठीक है, उसने कोई ऑर्डर नहीं पास किया, राइट? एंड they by order dated 27/11 January 2010 he said execute the sale lease deed.
Yes.
They approached the civil court to declare the title,
Yes, Lord.
declared in their favor, right?
Lord, on the issue of question of limitation is not the pure substantial question of law.
So no.
It has been firstly rejected on that ground. The merit of the case. should
No,
not be-
तो जो लिमिटेशन था नहीं था, वो कोर्ट का काम है।
Yes, Lord.
जब सिविल कोर्ट में के चला गया,
Yes.
the quasi judicial authority, that is the collector,
Certainly.
has no power.
Yes, Lord, but because of your lordship's order passed by the learned writ court, Lord, collector has decided this case. Your lordship can see the authority.
कलेक्टर कैसे डिसाइड कर सकता है?
Lord,
that is pursuant to order passed by this court.
perfect, Lord. I am
एक
obeying your
second.
lordship's
एक
observation.
रिट कोर्ट considered these facts that they approached the civil court and civil court had declared the title in favor of the appellant.
No, not at all. Not at all. She has not actually stated the true facts, Lord. My submission is, Lord, since these are the all disputed questions of fact, even writ court cannot go into all.
No, writ court नहीं जाती, that
Yes.
is true. That's why they approached the civil court,
Yes, Lord.
and civil court has said yes, title in their favor,
Hmm.
but they said with
Suit is barred by limitation.
right.
Yes.
Then they filed the first appeal. First appeal में कहा yes, it was within limitation,
Yes, Lord.
right?
Yes, Lord.
Or
Second.
because possession was handed over, then they filed the second appeal, which is pending.
Yes,
So
Lord.
meaning thereby,
Yes.
सिविल साइड की जो का ऑर्डर एक है सिविल कोर्ट का,
Yes, Lord.
कोर्ट का,
Yes, Lord.
quasi judicial authority, that is the commissioner or the collector,
Yes, Lord.
their orders cannot override.
Lord, my respectful submission is since very beginning is this, Lord, that if they have any grievance, they may file an application before the learned judge under section 100 CPC, Lord, and seek any injunction, seek injunction in the pending second appeal. My submission from the day one, Lord, is this, that since the second appeal is subject before this honorable court under section 100 CPC, Lord, they have every right to file an application, they raise their grievance there. How read court can go into all?
No, but the court has directed the collector to decide.
Yes, Lord.
तो decide, जब वो decide ही नहीं कर सकते,
Yes, Lord.
in the in view of the civil court pass the order,
Okay.
तो क्या decide करेंगे? The
Lord,
directions are.
Even before the learned read court also, Lord, on our side, Lord, we had made, when I appeared, Lord, I made the submission that these are all the disputed questions of facts can't be adjudicated.
Madam,
If she has,
did you mention before the writ court that these were the proceedings and order was passed by the civil court?
Yeah.
Is it recorded by the writ court?
no,
No, हमने as a matter, just a second, please. All these things were submitted, my lord, before the writ court. I can see the paragraphs can be seen. Number one. Number two, my lords. Today, in the eye of law, state government is a trespasser over my land because there's a finding of a competent court of law. Can a trespasser pass on the land to a third person? Not permissible in law. Article 300A comes into action. A right of mine cannot be taken away. State can take it in accordance with law for acquisition or whatever it is. You can't jump into by making an endorsement. This is my property. How can state do? Number one. There's a declaration of title in my favor. Now, how can a collector sit over the findings of the competent court of law? And more importantly, when the BJP collector state is a party in the civil suits and they are silent all throughout. How can they jump today with so much of volitions and fireballs when they never had the opportunity, they had the opportunity to bring to the court?
IA number is.
Yeah, ID number. Just a second.
kindly see annexure feet, my lord, it's very
Just a
clear.
second, please.
Come to the impugned order, madam.
There was an IE which was filed by law, bringing all the judgments on record.
This, your submissions have been recorded that you filed the civil suit
It is the IE is this. We filed an IE.
That is IA number 5.
before the writ court.
Yes, the IE number is there.
And order is not passed.
No, not at all.
That is not taken into consideration at all.
Not at all.
IA number
Just a
553
second, please, Mr.
Just I want to clarify one
Of
thing.
2024.
Of 2010, my lord. You will also may kindly consider very important dates, my lord. Read petition was filed in 2010, which was decided in August 2024. Civil suit was filed in after 5 years, my lord, in 2015. All right, we are not concerned at all, my lord, from the dates also, my lord. Once you had approached the remedy available in law that I should be declared as a owner, my lord, you will also may kindly see Justice Ahluwalia in its judgment, my lord, quoted the prayer also, my lord, in which it is their prayer that direct the respondent number 2 to decide the dispute pending and register the said land in petitioner's name. All she has filed the suit for declaration and injunction, Lord. Right, perfect remedies in law, Lord. And second appeal is sub judice. How read court can decide all these issues, Lord? My submission is
No, the suit was filed on 31st of January 2000, R3, which is on record. Don't make a mention of a wrong dates and all, please. Be clear with your facts, sir. Renumbering होता है सिविल कोर्ट्स में.
वो आपने ही बताया मैडम, इसलिए मैंने बताया.
हाँ.
वो आप-
नहीं आप देखिए ना.
State was party in this.
It's all throughout.
Collector of the party.
जब लीज डीड हुआ तो विचारे तो कोर्ट ने स्टे कर दिया. लीज डीड का स्टे कर
Why you
दिया. Continue.
did not challenge that?
Pardon?
You were the party.
Yes,
In this, before the civil court.
yes, Lord.
Why you did not challenge the order passed in favor of the appellant?
Lord, once the suit itself was dismissed on the ground of delay, Lord, then nothing remains to be adjudicated further.
Okay,
Lord.
delay का हुआ. The first appeal they said within limitation.
Yes, Lord.
Did you challenge that?
Within limitation, thereafter.
This order dated 25th 11/2021. This order in the first,
Second appeal, of course, not as not.
first appeal में जब order pass हुआ,
Yes, Lord.
you challenge that. कि जब ये कहा within limitation.
No,
That I will take instruction, Lord.
no,
Just
it's fine.
on the record.
We can be recorded, no?
Just a minute, Lord, I have just seen that, because this is the preliminary hearing, Lord, I have not been given opportunity to
Take-
file response.
No,
But
Not challenged
as
at
far as
all.
order is concerned, Lord, second appeal order, I have seen, Lord. In this, Lord, I have seen that they have filed the second.
Okay, but just note down this way. Yes. If you look at the case of appellant is that the collector white order dated 7th February 94 pass an order to register the property in question in favor of the government. Stop. Being aggrieved, the appellant filed a revision petition before commissioner, and the said authority, white order dated 13 March 2006, set aside the order dated 7th February 1994, passed by the collector. However, the collector did not pass any order, and white order dated 27th January 2010 directed to execute lease deed in favor of the government of Madhya Pradesh. Stop. A notice issued, so and so accepts notice on behalf of the respondents and seek time to take instruction and assist the court. Now question is, when the civil court has passed the order in favor of the appellant, there was no occasion for the writ court to direct the collector to decide the matter in the light of order dated 13 March 2006. So then say notice issued, so to accept notice, seek time to take instruction and assist the court on the next opinion.
But there's also a claim alert for
The
interim.
improved order dated 28 August 2024, passed in writ petition number 12011 of 2010, shall remain state.
Break your life. Break your life.
Respondent was the that is Bharatiya Janata Party.
Yes.
So this lease was executed in the year 2010. Now we have already raised construction.
No, but under what provision?
I will point out.
Listen,
Yes.
this order of 2nd February 94 by the collector, that has been set aside. Then under what provision lease executed? Where is the order?
My submission is.
Yes.
This, they challenge about the lease deed executed in my favor, not before the civil court. Once that is challenged, then in a writ petition.
No, but the
Question
question is,
This was not challenging.
question is, under what authority, what order the lease deed has been executed?
So we
We want to know that, that's all.
I will address on this issue.
Otherwise, then address of the director.